One question we get quite often here in the test kitchen is, how do we come up with our recipes? Well, as you can imagine, we, like you, get excited when we hear about a new trend or taste something that's worthy of recreating. That happened when I was in a little pub in downtown Fargo. The waitress recommended that we try their fried cheesy pickles. We did, and we fell in love with them. So let me show you our take on them. We start by cutting a block of Havarti cheese into strips. Each piece should be about the size of a pickle spear. Now we lay a few egg roll skins on a cutting board. You can easily find these in the produce aisle. We put the cheese in the center of each one and top it with a dill pickle spear that we've drained really well. Next, we brush the edges with water and fold one corner over the pickle, fold in the ends, and roll it up. These go into some hot oil to crisp up, and there you have it. After we drain them, they're ready to serve. And with each bite, you get the creaminess of the cheese, the tartness of the pickle, and the crunch from the egg roll skins. To get our copycat recipe for fried cheesy pickles, along with our sriracha dipping sauce to go with it, just go to our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found cheesy, pickly, and delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Mm-hmm.